I want to share something that really changed the way I think about trading. A few weeks ago, I had a conversation with a guy who's been trading the markets for over 30 years, a real veteran. And what he told me hit me like a truck. He looked me in the eye and said, "You're never going to make money trading Forex." Naturally, I was shocked. But then he explained. He told me about something he calls the cycle of doom. It's this pattern that most new traders fall into, and it's the reason why so many of them fail. It starts like this. You find a strategy. Maybe you create it yourself, maybe you buy it online or copy it from someone else. You feel confident, so you start trading live. At first, you make some money. Things seem to be working, but then losses begin. The moment your strategy starts losing money, you panic. You begin to doubt it. You tweak a few settings, maybe change the indicators, try to optimize it, and guess what? It starts making money again. But then it happens again. Another losing streak. More doubts, more tweaks. And after doing this a few times, you lose all faith in that strategy. You throw it away and look for a new one. And so the cycle continues. Strategy hopping, tweaking, hoping for a holy grail that doesn't exist. And that's the cycle of doom. He told me that the only way to escape this is to build true confidence in your strategy. And the only way to do that is through deep backtesting. You need to see how your strategy performs across different market conditions, when it wins, and more importantly, when it loses. Because if you expect losing periods, you're not going to panic when they happen. You'll trust the system. Then he said something else that really stuck with me. Most traders fail because they come into this game with completely the wrong expectations. They believe the hype that they can quit their job, trade from a beach, and get rich with a $500 account. But that's not reality. In fact, most brokers count on you blowing up your small account. That's why they offer bonuses and insane leverage, because they know greed will do the rest. He reminded me that even hedge funds are thrilled with a 25% annual return. So if you make 25% on your $500 account, that's $125, not even enough to pay your internet bill. The key, he said, is to treat trading like a business, have realistic goals, respect risk, avoid over-leveraging. And for the love of all that is good, stop chasing strategies like a headless chicken. Honestly, that conversation changed how I look at everything. And now, every time I'm tempted to jump to a new setup or strategy, I remember his words. The Holy Grail doesn't exist, but discipline, that's the real edge. That's all for today. If you like the content and want more, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment under the video. And if you want free trading knowledge, visit our website, tradingtour.net, and get the ebook for free. Take care.